Hi, I'm Tim. Today's healthcare, handling potent materials take a lot of care. The Fette compacting I-series machines are known for reliability and safety. These machines can contain potent materials and work us healthy. Join us to discover how the I-series ensures safety and innovations in the pharmaceutical production. Operator safety is the most important feature in the containment system. Our machines are equipped with this feature even in the most minimum setup. Thanks to different configuration possibilities, we can reach in containment level up to OEB 3. Some works can be carried out under containment condition. This could be, for example, checking a punch or a pre-cleaning. For further information, please don't hesitate to contact us and get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.
Fette compacting. Together for quality of life.